Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cloud Wars Minute. This episode is brought to you by Redis, the real-time data platform.
The world is real-time. Your customers expect your apps to be real-time. To thrive, your data layer needs revolution, not evolution. With a database that's as fast as your caching system and a caching system that's as persistent as your database. This is Redis, where simply storing and processing is table stakes, but harnessing the power of data in real time, that's the future. Built for speed, built for real-time apps. Redis, the real-time data platform.
Now, as you know, our promise here is you give us a couple of minutes and we're going to give you some unique insights into the greatest growth market the world has ever known. And right up near the top of that list of fastest growing big cloud companies is Snowflake. And in last week's earnings call, CEO Frank Slootman really paid a great deal of attention to one of the factors that he said is driving this boom in Snowflake's business, which last quarter pushed revenue up by 110% to $312 billion in product revenue. This phenomenon, which I think deserves the title of revolution, is what he called the direct-to-consumer move among all types of companies across all types of industries that in the past have been separated from their customers in some ways by different channel levels or other things that's going on. And now Slootman says those are being pushed aside because those consumers are demanding to have direct relationships with the companies they're buying from. So it's a fascinating dynamic here. And in the case of Snowflake and this, incredible 110% revenue jump, Slootman made a specific point, rather elegantly, I might add. He said the overarching backdrop for Snowflake is the inexorable march toward direct-to-consumer, because those companies are going to need new data-driven and digital capabilities to be able to establish those links, because consumers are demanding digital connections that way. And in cases where these businesses have had intermediaries before, now they've got to move in and really build up the data connections that they have with those consumers and the capabilities to have and enrich even better data pathways to these consumers going forward. Slootman also said this move by these companies toward a direct-to-consumer capability, he said that triggers enormous investments in data operations and data science, which plays directly into Snowflake's hands. And Slootman said also, for companies that are born in the cloud, he said the only way they think is direct-to-consumer. Now, along those lines, it's interesting to point out that Slootman said, or it might have been their CFO, Mike Scarpelli, but one of them said that of Snowflake's top 10 customers, 4 of them are from the Fortune 500, and 4 of them are companies that are not even 10 years old yet. So young, high-growth companies, big established companies, all of them, he said, moving in this direction of direct-to-consumer. So we'll see if other big tech companies jump in on this, but clearly it's something that has powered Snowflake's move to just an extraordinary quarter. We'll keep tabs on this, see what's coming up with that, and the role that technology and cloud technology in particular can play in that. Thanks for being with us, and I hope you have a fantastic day.